Hi there, this is Dr. John from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. And I want to talk briefly about micronutrient testing. Micronutrients are very important and crucial for proper health and physiology, particularly as we age. Especially in this age where our farms are being depleted and the nutrients in our food are declining in their impact. Imagine this, your physiology is like an assembly line. So imagine an automobile assembly line that wants to put out cars. Well, the cars would be analogous to your health and vitality as you age. What do you need to make that assembly line work? Well, you need parts. If you don't put enough parts in at the beginning, you're not going to get enough cars out at the end. So micronutrients are exactly the same. If you don't have enough micronutrients at the beginning, your physiology won't work properly, and then you won't have good long-term health and wellness. So that's why we want to look at your micronutrients and make some recommendations, either nutritional recommendations or supplemental recommendations that will improve your micronutrient status and lead to better long-term health and wellness. This is Dr. John from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness.